In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view employee call report in Freshsales. To get started, make sure you are signed in to Freshsales and you are on the main screen where you can see the left sidebar navigation. Everything we need is located inside a contact record because call activity is tied to the conversations connected to that person. First, go to the left sidebar and click on the Contacts module. This opens your contacts list where you can browse or search for the person whose call activity you want to review. Take a moment to confirm you are choosing the correct contact, especially if there are similar names or multiple records. Next, select the specific record you want to review. You can do this by clicking directly on the contact name in the list. Once you open the record, you will be taken to the Contact Details page. This page is where Freshsales organizes all related information, including communication history. On the Details page, move your cursor to the left sidebar area within the contact view and hover there to expand other functions. In Freshsales, some options can stay collapsed until you hover, so this step is important if you do not immediately see the full menu of tools associated with the record. After the sidebar expands, choose Conversations. This section collects the interaction history connected to the contact. From there, click on Call Logs. When you open Call Logs, you will be able to view the calls associated with that contact, including the log details that make up the call report. This is the place to review activity and confirm what happened on calls tied to that employee interaction. As a quick tip, if you are reviewing multiple contacts, you can keep your pace steady by returning to the contacts list and opening each record in turn, then using the same conversations and call logs path each time. This helps you stay consistent and reduces the chance of missing call entries. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.